Are you wondering how to connect Tenable to a SIEM platform? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to integrate Tenable with your SIEM system step by step and give you the essential tips to make sure it's done right. Before we dive in, let me quickly mention that you can get started with Tenable completely for free by using the first link in the description below, where you'll also get exclusive bonuses. You won't want to miss that. Now, let's get to it. First things first, if you're looking to connect Tenable to a SIEM platform, you're likely trying to streamline your vulnerability management and security event monitoring. Tenable provides some great insight into network vulnerabilities, and when you tie it into your SIEM, you get a holistic view of your security posture. Next thing you need to know is that Tenable works well with a variety of SIEM platforms, such as Splunk, ArcSight, and IBM QRadar. These platforms allow you to collect, correlate, and analyze security events and logs. For the integration, you'll typically need to install a Tenable plugin or use the Tenable API, which I'll go over shortly. Now, let's talk about the technical steps. The first step in connecting Tenable to a SIEM platform is to configure Tenable's data exports. You'll need to generate a custom feed in Tenable's interface that pushes vulnerability scan data. These feeds can be in formats like syslog, JSON, or CF, which are compatible with most SIEM platforms. The fourth thing to do is configure your SIEM platform to receive that data. In your SIEM, set up a data source or connector for Tenable. This can involve setting up a specific log parser for Tenable's output format. Once this is done, your SIEM will start pulling in the Tenable data, giving you actionable insights on vulnerabilities, risks, and events. Next thing is to ensure you have the right filters and rules in place. For optimal functionality, you'll need to tailor your SIEM's correlation rules to flag critical vulnerabilities or issues based on the Tenable scan results. This allows your team to respond to vulnerabilities faster and more effectively. The fifth thing you need to check is your data retention policies. Make sure you're storing your vulnerability data for the right amount of time based on your organization's compliance requirements. For example, you might want to store Tenable vulnerability data for several months or even years. Lastly, it's crucial to regularly monitor the integration. Test the connection and ensure that data is flowing smoothly from Tenable to your SIEM platform. You don't want to overlook issues like missing data or delayed reports because they can impact your security operations. To wrap up, connecting Tenable to a SIEM platform is pretty straightforward once you understand the basic steps. By configuring your data exports, setting up the right connection and filters in your SIEM, and regularly monitoring the integration, you can create a powerful security monitoring system. And don't forget, if you want to try Tenable for yourself, you can get started completely free with our exclusive bonus link in the description below. It's a great way to experience all the benefits of Tenable and SIEM integration at no cost. Thanks for watching.